Hey, my name is Ivo Hunink. I'm an innovation advisor for the municipality of The Hague. And before this I was one of the founders of Energy Bazaar. And the reason you should come to my presentation is firstly if you want to know more about how you can set up a startup regarding sustainability or sustainable energy technology and learn from the lessons that I learned there. But also if you want to know more about how you can be an entrepreneur for large organizations, so not to just set up your own small startup and look for funding, but act as an entrepreneur in big organizations. So see you there.
Hi, my name's Helen. I work with charities, NGOs and not-for-profits on fundraising and their social media marketing, and I run the Funding Lab as part of my business. I really enjoy going to the Smart Communities meetup where we get to talk about and learn about new technologies. This isn't part of my field and it's not my area of expertise, but I like going along to learn new things as well as to meet new people and to network as well, because you never know where things might go. So come along if you're interested. I'm not a student, I run a business like I say, so come along if you want to learn about new technologies and meet some really interesting people.
Hey, my name is Windesheim. I'm the founder of STEM, a blockchain platform to trade private stock and foster employee participation. I'm happy to do a presentation on our views of how blockchain is influencing our values and trust in society, and how we see that actually things like our platform, regulatory technologies, are trying to make a change in it and maybe move for the better to our sharing economy. Happy to see you there.
Hi there, I'm Dielke and I'm an HR manager and talent developer, and I mostly work with entrepreneurs and innovators on their people and culture. And I'm going to give a talk on Windesheim Entrepreneurship Week on curiosity. So I've been asked to just to tell you a little bit about it and why you should come to my talk. But I'm not going to do that because you need to be curious, and if you're not curious, then definitely this talk is not going to be something for you. So if you're curious and want to learn more about the skill of the future, come to my talk.